Namaste from me to you. I am Sharmila. Welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. Today is part 4 of my series How to Talk to Your Children in English and Better Parenting. Sojas and his parents have reached home from the park. At home. Sojas, where should you keep your shoes? Please keep your shoes in the shoe rack. Please keep your shoes in the shoe rack. Sorry, Papa. I will keep my shoes in the shoe rack. I will keep my shoes in the shoe rack. Very good, my child. Okay, where should we go now? Where, Papa? Sojas and Papa will go to the washroom. Let's go. Take off your clothes and put in the wash tub. Take off your clothes and put in the wash tub. Let's wash our face, wash our hands, and wash our legs. Very good. Now take this towel, wipe your face, wipe your hands, wipe your legs. Put on your shorts and t-shirt. Mama, I am thirsty. May I have a glass of water? Mama, I am thirsty. May I have a glass of water? Yes, my dear. Here, take your glass of water. Sojas, will you have an apple or an orange? Will you have an apple or an orange? Papa, what will you have? An apple or an orange? Papa will have an orange. Which fruit will Sojas have? Which fruit will Sojas have? I will have an orange too. I will have an orange too. Papa, Mama and Sojas will have 2 oranges. Papa, Mama and Sojas will have 2 oranges. Very good. Papa, TV. What? How will you say that, Sojas? Papa, please, can I watch TV? Please, can I watch TV, Papa? Please, can I watch TV, Papa? Yes, you can, but only till 8:30 p.m. 8:30. Dinner time. Dinner time. Sojas, it's dinner time. Please keep these plates on the table, Sojas. Please keep these plates on the table, Sojas. Okay, Mama. Now, children love to play this helping game. Do encourage them. They will love to help you. Papa brings the dal from the kitchen. Mama gets the rice. Papa, Mama and Sojas have dinner together. Sojas, will you help Mama and Papa to keep the vessels in the kitchen sink? Sojas, will you help Mama and Papa to keep the vessels in the kitchen sink? Yes, Mama. Sojas takes his plate and keeps it in the sink. After dinner, Amar gives Sojas a drawing sheet with dots. Want to do some coloring? Yes, Papa. Okay. Take your crayons and take the sheet. Color it. Draw. Join the dots. Give children a free hand. Let their imagination create new things. After the child finishes his drawing and shows it to you, a appreciate and, if possible, describe the drawing as if you're a commentator. Wow, it's a beautiful drawing. It's a beautiful drawing. It is a beautiful drawing. It's a beautiful drawing. The colors that you have put are really good. Very good, my son. Very good. What is this here? The child may say, my gorilla, or my elephant, or an apple, or an orange. Again, you can say some good words there too. You can just have some fun with the child. Is the gorilla blue in color? The child may say, Papa, gorilla is black in color and I have put black color. See, Papa. Papa don't know colors. He will start talking about it. He will be excited. The child will be more excited. When you give children such opportunities, they are very happy. Encourage your child to talk. You too speak in simple English. And if your English is not that good, you can improve your English speaking to your child. So just now keep your crayon colors in the box. Very good. Amar asked Swojus about his day in school and also about his new friend Kian. They both talked for another 10 minutes. Time to go to bed. Let's go to the bedroom now. Brush your teeth. Go to the washroom. Wash yourself. Wipe yourself. Put on your night dress. Put on your night dress. Now here you have to establish a regular bedtime for your child. Be consistent. The child should go to bed at the same time every day. Activities such as going to washroom, a bath, brushing teeth may be put up in this time. Before bedtime, set aside at least 15 to 30 minutes for calming activities. Already the child has done a drawing. Now you can read a book for 10 to 15 minutes. It's story time. Papa will read a story. Which story shall we read today? I want to read Bal Ganesh story today. I want to read Bal Ganesh story today. So after the story, now it's sleep time. Good night, soldiers. Sleep well. Good night, Papa. Good night, Mama. So that's all in this video for today. Now, even if you are a beginner in speaking English, you can just make sentences in your head. What did you do the full day? You can just make very simple sentences. I got up, I woke up, I ate my food. What did you eat in your food? You will say all those things, and those sentences, they might be small, but that will help you improve your English vocabulary. So do it. Thank you for being my inspiration today. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and be happy always.